Just the other day I was teaching someone how to do some crisscross moves, and I showed them basically the regular 2-foot crisscross and then double under from a crisscross. It's a move I've done in a video quite some time ago. So basically the regular 2-foot crisscross, cross, uncross, cross, uncross, cross, uncross, cross, uncross. And one that I often like to do is you do a cross and then you uncross and do a double under. And then he asked, what comes after that? Well, you can do a lot of different crossing moves. Running crisscrosses, double under crisscrosses, triple under crisscrosses, cross and sticks, or the next progression is to uncross and do a triple under. Like so.